Hello friends, good afternoon. I hope you all are fine. As we know that Christmas is around, we are all excited for the birth of Jesus Christ. In fact, let Jesus Christ be born in our hearts. Me and my friend Anupam, we are going to sing a Mizo Christmas song, and it's Mizo version of O Come Holy Faithful. Let's sing this song and worship Him. Ringtu zawngte hlimin lawm takin Bethlehem lamah chuan Amah turin Vantirhkoh-hote Amah lofak Amah lofak Amah lofak Krista Vantirhkoh-hote Ringtu Vana zawngte hriat Fakin Pathian Fa Lalber Amah lofak Amah lofak Amah lofak Krista Lalpa kandam na piang Lal Isu hming zawng tuar Pathian Fa Amah lofak Amah lofak Amah lofak Krista Ringtu zawngte hlimin takin Bethlehem lamah chuan Amah turin Vantirhkoh-hote Amah lofak Amah lofak Amah lofak Krista Amah lofak Krista Amah lofak Krista. Yes, Jesus Christ, be the Lord of this universe. May God bless this song for all of us.